Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to do the updates. It's very simple. So if you want all these new stuff that came out, you know, the backgrounds, new sub menus in the bottom that I already added, new coloring, I added to the favorites, I added some channels. That way you don't have to look. If you don't want this here, you could take them out. Just hit the letter C on your keyboard, or the option or menu option on your control that comes with the box. It's going to give you this right here, and you could just go to edit coded favors and you go to remove favors, and that's it. You hit enter and it's going to remove it. I'm going to leave it just in case there are people who want these channels here, and they work great. That way you don't have to look for them. But that's in the favorites. And this update is for those who purchased the $350 box that comes with everything, live TV and all that fun stuff. So for example, let's try Dexter, for example. Let's go to US. Oops, wrong key. Let's go to US, and there's all the channels. That's just so that you have an idea of some of the things that are new. If you click on any of these, I don't know, let's see E maybe. You click on play live. Let's see. Okay, sometimes depending on whether or not there's more than 60,000 people watching that channel right now, it might not load. It might not be on. But as you can see, it doesn't give you an error. It just gives you, it just goes back to this, so it doesn't play. Let's try something else. Let's say FX, and boom. So this is working great. Okay, let's stop it. I don't want this video to be banned from the network, from online. So all of these channels work great, and that's just USA. You have music, sports, you have international, all kinds of stuff. UK, Canada. So, and that's just Dexter. You know, you have Scarface. That's another one. You click on low TV category and you have all these channels as well. Let's go back. You have a lot of new features. Bulldog just came out a couple of days. If you don't like the way these look, you click on the left. It gives you the option to change it to a list, and then now it looks better. Sports, big list of channels. There's a lot of content that are new. Three Amigos got updated. Cosmix is new. Phoenix got updated with new live TV content right here. Sports, TV shows, all kinds of stuff. So there's a lot of new stuff. So if you want all these, I'll show you how to update your box. If something's not working or whatever, you need an update, it's going to be right here. It says that there is a new update available right now, which is this one that I'm doing right now. This update is only available for those who purchase the 350. The diamond package right here. See that? Okay, so let's get to it. First thing you need to do is send me a text. Tell me that you want to update your box. And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to enable the update so that you could download it. That way, those who purchase the update for 150 and 250, they cannot get this update because I have to activate it. If it's disabled, they cannot, nobody, not even you, could download it. So just send me a text and then I'll look your account up. And if you purchase the 350, then I'll enable it and you could just download the update. So this is how I'll be able to control my clientele. So you go to System, you click on that, click on Enter, go down to Add-ons, go down to Install from Zip File, and what you want to do is go to Diamond, click on Diamond. If you go to, let's say, Gold, there's nothing there. You see that? That's because it's disabled. Okay, and if you want it to update it for the Gold version, for the 250, I'm sorry, for the 150. I'm sorry, the Gold is the 250. I got confused. I'll just activate it and you're going to see here the plugin enable. Where's the other one? Silver. If you go here, empty. I could also update that for the silver for those who purchase the 150. And what you want to do is go to Diamond, And as you can see, this one is enabled because I enable it, so that way you can have it and do the update, and also for the purpose of the video. So what you want to do is click on Diamond, and then click on Plugin Video rayotv 0.0.1.zip. You click on that, and it's going to say rayotv Wizard Enable somewhere up here. So let's give it a couple seconds. It should come up pretty soon. There it is. rayotv Wizard add-on updated. So now you updated the add-on. What you want to do is use that add-on to update the box. Very simple. So what you want to do is go to My Add-ons, go all the way down to Video Add-ons, go down to, and these are all the add-ons that I put on it, by the way. Different packages have different add-ons. So let's go back down to rayotv Wizard, and there it is, rayotv Wizard, right here. So what you want to do is click on that, and then open it right here, and then it's going to give you these two options. This is to go back, and this is the actual build. If you click on that, it's going to start downloading automatically. I'm going to cancel that. It's going to start downloading. It's going to take at least 15-20 minutes. Once it's done downloading, it's going to say extracting for another 2-3 minutes. Once it's done extracting, it's going to say that it's all done, to click OK. And after you click OK, it's going to say you need to force close Kodi or cancel. And what you want to do is click on No Cancel, and then you're going to disconnect your box. You're going to unplug your box, and then once you're done, then what you're going to do is plug the box back in and turn it on, and everything's going to go back to normal. You're going to come back all the way over here, and you're going to have everything I have. And that's it. Very simple. This is the simplest way to update the box. Now, let me get out of here and close Kodi just to show you. Let me make sure it's closed. Okay, so Kodi is completely closed. Now, I'm going to take this out just for the purpose of the video. I'm going to put this right here just for now, just to show you something else. Okay, let's open Kodi. Boom. If you see that your box is like this, completely empty, brand new, or that it just out of nowhere it went blue. Okay, if out of nowhere it went blue, and you go in here and you don't see the backgrounds, you don't see the sub menus, you don't see nothing here, don't panic. Okay, don't panic. What you want to do, you're going to do the same steps that I did. You're going to go down here to File Manager. Okay, you're going to go to Add Source. In here, you're going to click on None. Oh, wrong key. You're going to click on None, and you're going to type in my address, which is http://rayobase.com/ and if you have the silver package, you're going to type silver like that. And if you have the gold package, you're going to type gold like that, or you're going to type the diamond package like that, and you're going to hit done. Okay, and you're going to click on OK, and you're going to go back to System right here. You're going to go to Add-ons, and you're going to go to Install from Zip File. You're going to click on Diamond, and you're going to click on this. Once you click on that, it's going to say Enable somewhere or Update it. Let's give it a minute or two. Boom, there it is. rayotv Wizard Add-on Enable. What you want to do now is go to My Add-ons, go down to Video Add-ons, just like we did before. Click on rayotv Wizard, open it. It's going to open for you. You see that how it's blank? What you want to do, because it's not showing, you want to click back, and then now click on it again and open it again. Now it's right there. If I click on that, boom, it's going to start downloading. I'm going to cancel that, and again, like I said before, it's going to completely download, and then it's going to say extracting. It's going to say download complete. Click OK. You're going to click on OK. It's going to give you two options. It's going to say force close Kodi, yes or no cancel. What you want to do is click on no cancel, and then after you do that, then you're going to unplug the box. You have to unplug the box. When you do that and you plug it back in, you're going to unplug it and wait a couple minutes and then plug it back in. And this is what it's going to look like. Let me delete this. Let's put these two guys back in here. Okay, and when you open Kodi again, when you turn the box on, it's going to look like this. Okay, brand new, freshly installed with everything in here. Just send me a text or call me, tell me that you want to do the update, and I will enable the file. Because if you go here, you can see the diamond it's on because I just enabled it. But I could display. I'm going to disable it as soon as I do this. I'm going to disable the gold. See, it's already disabled. I don't have to do anything. And silver. And the address, as you can see, is right here. rayotv.com/silver. So there's nothing in here. So even if you purchase the 150 or the 250 and you try to be slick and you, let's say you do the diamond and you put diamond, it's going to be empty. You have to call me or send me a text and tell me that you want to do the update. And I know who I sold the boxes to, so I know what I sold to you. I know if I didn't sell you a diamond, I'm not going to enable the diamond one if you only pay $150 for the silver and not $350. Now, if you want to upgrade to the $250, all you need to do is send me a payment, and or maybe talk it out with me. We'll figure it out, some sort of deal, and I could enable the diamond. You put the diamond in here and then upgrade to the diamond version. You could upgrade any day, any time, from silver to gold, from gold to, but whatever. And for those who have the diamond version, it's $20 a month. But you already know that if you purchase the diamond version. But for those who want to upgrade, you get new features that you don't have on the gold or on the silver. You have live TV, okay? You have a Spanish TV, which it gives you all the channels from every channel in the world, and you have live TV from here, from America, and Canada, and London, because they speak English. So these are English channels, these are Spanish channels, okay? And you have all these tabs in here, and it's only $20 a month, okay? So you could either pay $20 a month, or you could pay $120 at once for the whole year. And it's guaranteed not to go down. And if the channels go down, I'll give you your money back, guaranteed. So there you go. It's either $120 a year or $20 a month for the live TV section, if you wanted to upgrade from gold or from silver, or if you just want to purchase the box for the $350 package, okay? And it's very, very simple, and I'll show you guys how it works. You click on Dexter, for example. You go to any of these, let's say 24/7 TV shows, and look, these are 24/7 live right now. Did no commercial, just 24/7 TV shows. USA, or let's say Kids, for example, has Cartoon Network, Junior, everything, and it tells you here what's playing right now. And this is the description. So it's very, very cool, and the background changes as well for whatever is playing right now. Okay, and that's just a Dexter. You could go to Scarface, Bulldog, Three Amigos, Comics, Phoenix, Ultimate. All these items are full packed with channels. See, let's say USA, for example. Look, CNN, NBA, ESPN, HD, packed with channels everywhere. So if you like something and you don't like to go and look for them, let's say TV time. Okay, I need to do an update for this. It's very simple to do. I'll do it before I upload this video. You could go to rayotv list. These are my lists that I have. You could go to, let's say, English channels, and you have all these English channels, hundreds of them, all kinds of channels, and they all work fantastic. You could go to Spanish channels. These are my lists that I always keep updating. Get everything in Spanish. All the the channels, and they all work great. Let's try this one just to show. Look, almost instantly. Almost instantly. Very, very, very cool. All these channels. You could go to Películas HD. These are hundreds of movies. I mean, you just can't. It doesn't stop. Look, hundreds of movies, and you just click and play. And these are English movies that are translated in Spanish. Any of these. Let's try this one just to give you an example. Also, depending on your internet connection, it might take a little longer to play. Or unless the movie is a very long movie, like The Lord of the Ring, that's like 3.5 hours, things like that. It might take a while, but after it's done loading, right now it's loading, it says working, it just starts playing. Very, very nice. It's HD quality. Some movies are 4K quality, some movies are only 1080, and the worst you could get is 720, which is really not bad because that's standard. So this one didn't want to play for some reason. That's fine. I got to check on that. But you have all kinds of movies in here. Every single movie. I mean, Ted just came out. Whiplash just came out like a year ago. Let's try this one, see if it plays. And these are translated in Spanish, guys. No, some of them, they do have subtitles, but most of them, they're in Spanish. So this one starts playing automatically. Pretty good. Look at the quality. Let's move forward a little bit just to show you. Very good. And they're translating. Let's have somebody talking.
Le decían Bird.
See that?
Porque Jones casi le da con un plato.
Which is really, really cool.
¿Entiendes, no?
Really cool. No subtitles. That's just in Spanish. Some of them, they do have subtitles, but hey, whatever. And this is all channels. That's another list that I have. Go to all channels. And they have all these channels. I mean, hundreds of channels. There's just so many of them. And they all play wonderfully. Way too many channels. And so what I've done is that I've selected a group of channels and put it on the favorites tab. That way you don't have to look for these channels. They're already there. But if you find a channel that you want to see, all you have to do is just, let's say you find any of these, I don't know, let's say Cartoon Network, and you click on C. It gives you this option. You go to add to favorites, and boom, it'll just automatically add to the favorites. And you could play before you put it in. That way you can see what works and what doesn't work. So I'm going to click on this one just to show you. See if it plays. Again, sometimes depending on the amount of people, if there's more than 60,000 people watching the same channel, I may not open because they won't let you in. So that may be the reason why it's not letting me in. But there's just hundreds of channels in here. And again, if you cannot find the channel here, you can find it somewhere else. You have the English list in here. You also have all these sub menus in here, full packed with channels. So you just can't go wrong. I mean, there's a lot in here. And this one, Live Mix, they have all these channels also. Let's try one of these just to show you. Boom, automatically, almost instantly. And that's live, guys. And that's AMC right there. Very, very cool. And you could go up here to entertainment, movies. Let's say movies, for example. It gives you all these kind of movies. Right here, it gives you, let's say, music. You get MTV. You get VH1, news, all the news right here, ABC, CNN, Fox, all that. Sports, all the sports, Arena TV, Being TV, BT Sports, you have everything, ESPN, all kinds of stuff. Documentary, for example. It shows you here, Discovery, Nat Geo, all the fun stuff for kids. You get Disney, Cartoon Network, Nickelodeon. For food, Food Network. For USA, it gives you all the channels for USA. Religious channels as well. There's everything here, guys. I mean, you just can't go wrong. And that's just one add-on. That's just one add-on. So let's go back. You got UK TV Now, C Cloud. There's just so much stuff going on in here, guys. So that's the good thing about upgrading. You get all that, and it's only $20 a month or $120 for the whole year. It's up to you. Guaranteed to not go down. And if it does go down, I'll get you either your money back, or I'll get you something that is going to work. I'll get you something else, a different add-on, so that you could always have live TV without having to pay for it. And that's about it, guys. I wanted to do a 20-minute video trying to cover everything. There's a lot of new stuff going on in here. Don't miss out. Take advantage of this opportunity now that you can. A lot of people paying between $80 to $250 for cable per month, which is ridiculous. You're looking at almost $2,500, between $1,200 to $2,500 a year. That is like ridiculous, unacceptable. With this, $350 and then $20 a month. So add an additional $120. That's not even $400. You know what I mean? $400, $500 instead of paying $1,200, $2,500, which is ridiculous. And this is for the whole year, guys. So think about it. Check it out. Let me know what you think. If you like this this new look with the background, so the all colorful, the new favorites tab that it wasn't there before. If you have any suggestions about changing backgrounds, or maybe the colors, or a different look, or whatever, if it's too if you want a little faster or whatever, just let me know. And up here, this is the news. I'm always going to be typing stuff in here. Right now it tells you, see, updates for the gold and silver packages will come soon. I'm going to do a video for that as well. Or maybe not. Maybe, this video, I think it covers everything. I'll just do the updates for those in a few hours, and then have them available in case people want to do the updates. I'm going to cut it short. I know it's 20 minutes is a long time for a video, but I wanted to cover all bases, okay? And if you have any questions, right here, rayotv.com. Instead of a /tutorials, you go mail or email or messages. It'll recognize all that, and it'll send you to my email page. Actually, I'm going to show you real quick. If you go right here, rayotv.com. You go to contacts. Boom. There it is. You could just put your name, email, subject, message, and send. And that's it. Whatever the suggestion is. Or here's the email, rayotv@rayotv.com. Very, very simple. Okay, guys. I'm out.